Hi there, welcome to another video from the farm. Today we're going to be talking about installing gates, stopping people getting in. Now I'm just going to show you a few different gates we've got here at the farm, a few different types of gates anyway, and point out some of the reasons why they're effective, why they're not effective. And then, yeah, I'll show you a little bit of the install of the big gate we've had put here today, which fortunately I already had, because when I was about to get another piece of land, that fell through, somebody gazumped me. And yeah, I'd already bought this massive gate to go with it. So had to put it somewhere here, so we'll install that today. So I'm up near the main road now. Just thought I'd show you this old wood gate. Now this is what a lot of people tend to use, and not very good in my opinion. As you can see over here, that's the posts, and this gate's not even 10 years old. So massive downside of this one is it rots very quickly at the posts. So if you're going to use a wood one, use metal posts. Now this is galvanized steel gate, much better than the wood ones. Much more durable, will last a long time. I've seen ones over 30 years that are still pretty good, although I'm sure the older galvanising processes were a bit thicker plated than the modern ones, as they do crank them out now. So as you can see, it's chest high, but vulnerable. People can just hop right over this, and you can secure them, but unless you're welding little plates on this end, people can just pop the gates right off. So these sorts of gates, in my opinion, aren't very effective. So this version of the galvanised gate, slightly more secure. As you can see, run a ring of barbed wire over the top. Got a little clasp, drops over there, and then I drop a chain through here and around that. So that holds the gate together a lot better. And I am going to be putting metal plates on the top of this, so this is an effective barrier to stop vehicles getting through, and semi-effective at stopping people hopping over. So if you're going for something in the medium price range, spending a couple hundred, this is what you're going to want to do. Get a galvanised, weld some plates on the top of those, run some barbed wire or some razor wire along the top, get yourself a big heavy duty chain and lock. Right, let's go see the new big one, get that put in. And she's in. What a beauty. So this gate, 2.4 metres tall, thick steel, galvanised, comes with a 25-year guarantee. So well worth it considering the price. But obviously this is your high-end gate. This is much more expensive than just your iron bar gate, although this is obviously 10 times more secure. Literally, you can't pop these gates off. They come with little bolts that you shear off, so people can't just lift these gates off. You've got heavy duty thick steel all here, so you can put a nice big heavy duty lock on there as well. And also comes with these things there, which are for leaning your gate up against when you open it, and it hitches onto it. Here, the gate just hitches on, and that locks it in position. Excuse me there. This thing goes in the middle to sit your two drop bars into. Shout out to Jackson's for the good gate and my guarantee. So all in all, if you're going to get a gate, get one like this. As well as a visual deterrent, it's a physical deterrent. As soon as I've got the fence in here and here, you aren't getting past this. You cannot get better security than an impassable barrier. That's a fact. Right then, till next time.